Yo, welcome back Flavour Chasers to another episode of Flavour Station. Sorry I'm holding the phone. I know it's unprofessional. It's not very YouTube of me, is it? I do apologise, but we've got something different today. It's lockdown, we're in tier 3, but still, I'm going to review something. Now, we've all heard of this new jerk chicken festive burger. It's meant to look like this. What, we got perfectly placed chicken, bacon, cheese, gravy, is it? Cranberry? Sauce? And I just don't understand it. It don't look right. It don't look like jerk. It's not jerky to me. But I thought I'm going to review it. I'm not going to tear it to bits. If it's nice, it's nice. I know it's Mackey's, but if it's nice, it's nice. Now I thought I'd pit it against the new KFC Gravy Burger box. Whatever the hell that is. It looks like this. Chicken, cheese, potato, gravy, bun. But I don't know how it's going to be. So I'm going to put them against each other. Going to review them. So yeah, here we go. Let's get it.
Flavour Station. Flavour Station.
Yeah, Manzi, I'm ashamed to be here. I'm ashamed that my plate is even in the recognition for being at Mackey's. Got a Tesla there, Merc. You should know better, Tesla. You're a smart man, filling your body with this rubbish. Now, I'm seeing it now. Christmas double Big Mac. Are you mad? Oh, these people don't let up, innit? So yeah, I'm at Mackey's now. I'm about to order this jerky jerk burger. Oh man, it's gonna be bad, innit? Bare whips. You're talking 15 whips here. Mad thing. See how I got my belt on? Mad. And I got my clicker as well. I don't touch my phone when I'm driving, so I'm not an idiot. Do you know what? I don't even know what it's called, man. Just jerk burger, innit? Double quarter pounder, jerk chicken sandwich, you know. I wonder if the chicken season up good. Ain't got bacon on it, surely. Oh my lord, I'm scared. I'm scared of this, man. The Christmas jerk chicken sandwich. Rotted. Okay. Bomba. I know what the play's gonna be. I know what it's gonna be. See where I go on.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. Take your order, please.
Oh yeah. You know the jerk chicken sandwich?
Yeah.
How jerky is it?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't actually tried it. Somebody says it's quite spicy.
Yeah. Does it have bacon? What's actually on it?
Let me have a look for you. So
Okay.
It's got onion, lettuce, cheese, bacon, and the chicken and the jerk sauce.
Yeah. Can I get that but without the bacon on it, please? Is that
No
possible?
bacon,
Sorry to
yeah.
be a pain.
No, that's fine. That's no worries. Would you like it as a meal?
No, thank you. Just the burger, please, my dear.
Okay, with no bacon.
Yeah.
Is that all for you today?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you. That's £4.49 at the window.
Oh, legendary. Thanks, Ducky.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
You're right, Keys. Thank you very much. Have a good day, lad. Smashing it, man. Grafting. In these times. Smashing it, bro. We have arrived, baby. Oh, this is so grim. My gym's over there as well. It's like a joke thing. It's like I'm cheating on everybody, ever. I'm cheating on flavour. I'm cheating on jerk. I'm cheating on chicken. I'm cheating on, at least it's chicken, to be fair. Wagwan here. Let the gravy flow. Rotted. Okay, let's see Wagwan here. Oh my god. Man, bust fellowships. Margella kicks. Tramps bust fellowships. Damn, I don't know them. They ain't one. Hunter. In my German car, drop a big pack. I'm a young gunner. Hello? Hello there! Oh, absolutely. Thank you. Damn, I don't know them. They ain't one. Hunter. Oh, stop being rude, man. You know people that are rude to like people? It angers me, you know. Like, allow him. Let him do his job, blood. Getting aggy because you're hungry. Shut your mouth. I mean, be quiet, please. So rude. I hate rudeness, you know. Arrogance. Look, sockets on site for man. Pay the man. And Guan. You alright, geezer? Yeah, you're having a tough time with my man there. It's a nightmare. Got a job to do, ain't ya?
You want one half thing, then you want another thing, then you
Yeah.
want another thing.
Doing YouTube, innit? Yeah, Flavour Station. You know how it is. Follow up. Now, could I get, I'm doing a review on this gravy, you know, the gravy burger. that your Christmas burger?
Yeah.
It's a head-to-head, mate, with the Mackey's jerk chicken burger. You gotta make it special for man, you know. Not a meal, just the burger, please.
Burger on its own.
Yeah, please, mate. You got to pay you as well, have I? Man said 1 second, I think he knows I'm famous. I think he's gonna look, they're all talking about me. You got geezer? Yeah, man, not too bad. Oh, yeah, I didn't mean the burger one. Yeah, the gravy. I just meant no drink or fries. Oh, you get the whole thing? I'll have the whole box then. It's free, yeah? I'm famous, you know. Can I get just a water, please? You going head to head with McDonald's, you know? Festive ting. You go Ah, discount, you see? You see? Have a wonderful day, guys. Nice one. See, you're nice to people, you know. You get discount, blood. It's 20p discount, but discount's discount, innit? I'm gassed. Might get free sauce. It's a box meal. I had to buy the meal. Park up, yeah, man, fresh thing. Nah, just the gravy will do, boss. Nice one, bro. Yeah, man. Gotta park up now, get the thing. But you know what? Like McDonald's, I ain't gassed for it. You know, I'm gassed for this burger. I'm not being, what's the word? Biased. That's the one. I remember once, yeah, you know these parking bays, right? Me and my missus parked up in one. Yeah. You know the waiting bay? And we was eating, we'd finished, yeah. This geezer, he comes out of KFC and he brings this big bag. Must have been for about 6 people. So like, is this yours? Yeah. I'm like, yeah. Grabbed it, gone. Ooh, I think it's coming. Is this the lad here? Yes, we're on. We on. Go that side, bro. Yes. I'm gassed for this. Poke your head in, bro. Say hello.
Hiya.
Thanks for the water.
What's your YouTube channel called?
Flavour Station. FLAVA.
1 second.
He's gonna subscribe. Poke your head in. Open the door if you want, mate. He's shy. Bless him.
Do you need anything else?
Yeah.
What?
You've got to say, I'm a flavour chaser.
I'm a flavour chaser.
Jeez, my guy. What a legend. Thank you very much,
you go.
mate. Checked and sealed.
Search yourself.
Oh, I'll do it, yeah? Yes, man. I'll click subscribe. I'll hit the bell as well. Look, now you get a notification every time I put out a really irritating video. Keep a lookout for this one.
Alright.
I'm going to shout you guys out, man.
Alright.
Burton KFC. Respect, bro.
Hamza, yeah?
Hold tight, Hamza. Hamza, my G. See you in a bit, bro. What a legend. What a great guy. What an absolute G. Ah, now to get home, got the Mackies, got the KFC. Let's get home and delve in, baby. Put about 3 stone on at this rate. Right then, we made it back. Checked and sealed from the KFC. McDonald's there. Jeez. Now McDonald's weighing in at $4.49. We have the festive burger. Chicken sandwich, jerk chicken sandwich, no bacon. This is the Steez. Now we break the seal on the old KFC. I like the seal idea. With COVID restrictions, sick. We had to get the box meal because that's all they could do. Now weighing in at only £5 something, we have the KFC gravy box meal. So you're talking £1 more for the ting, just the burger. This is a meal. What do we get? He asks. Okay, this is the jerk chicken burger from McDonald's. Okay, so onion, lettuce, chicken, and what seems to be some sort of jerk barbecue sauce, as I expected. The chicken isn't seasoned to my knowledge. Nice soft bun though, floured bap, lovely. Now the KFC, this is a box meal, coming in at £6 odd. You get the burger. Oh, you get chicken too. Oh damn. Oh damn. You get a fillet, you get your gravy, fries, gravy, and what's this I see? Gravy nays. That's an interesting notion, isn't it? So here they are side by side, the contenders. Now, the gravy burger. Underwhelming, no green. Right, it looks like a fillet burger, a weird hash brown thing, cheese. Okay, and I'm guessing from the advert you pour the gravy on there and it all does. This is so bad for you. Nice soft bun again though. Compare it to the Mackey's, size-wise. Mackey's looks a bit bigger. Lettuce, onion, that's what I like to see in a burger, to be honest. Right, time for the almighty taste test. I'm testing them on the burger alone. That chicken looks dank. This chicken looks dry. But we'll see, blood, we'll see. Right then, let's taste these bad boys. So which one should I go with first? Mackey's. We'll go with McDonald's first. I'm gonna eat it as is, as intended, look. No jimmery pokery, nothing to make it better. I'm gonna get rid of that though, it's a bit crap. I'm gonna see what this is saying. This is cheese, onion, lettuce, jerk sauce, and we go. My first thing that hits me is pure bread. Then I'm hit with the spice. It's not jerk though. It's kind of like a chili heat. Chicken's tender. It's breast fillet as well. It's decent still. It's not too bad. The cheese is unnecessary. Onion, nice crunch of the onion. The lettuce is a good addition. I like lettuce on my burger. I like the crunch, I like the sweetness of onion. But that jerk sauce, I don't know why you'd label it jerk for Christmas. Don't make sense to me. One more bite and I'm done. You do get that lovely onionness coming through. Master Chef bloody. Nah, it's alright, man. Like if I was in a rush, don't call it jerk. There was no need. McDonald's, if you're listening, you could have smashed it this festive season. You could have done this burger with like cranberry sauce and a bit of cheese and like made it Christmassy with like, I don't know, Brussels sprouts or something mad in it. Like a cranberry and brie. See if it's even Christmassy. And what crossed their minds to think that jerk is Christmas? Nah man, it's alright, it's okay. I'll give it 6 out of 10. Now we crack on with the KFC Gravy Burger. I'm guessing you need to pour it because it's in a pourer now. See it there? So, I'm guessing you take the lid off, like so. You see it, and you pour. This is so wrong, isn't it? So wrong. And you pour the gravy over the burger like this. Oh, this is disgusting. Then you do that, and then you do that. Put the lid on, and it all squashes down into it, and it's absolute killer. Here we go. See it there? Oh my god, this is disgusting. Well, I don't know yet. Here we go. The KFC Christmas festive gravy something. Got gravy on the floor. First thing, 11 herbs and spices. 11 herbs and spices, cheese, chicken, potato in a burger as well. That's a mad thing in itself. I'll go in for another one. And another one. And another one. Feel like DJ Khaled. That's disgusting. It's all on my bloody floor now. No, I don't like it. I do like it. And I don't. It's weird. It goes against every fibre of my being to like it. I just could have done with it like a lettuce and tomato and onion and that. I think on that edge, McDonald's took it. KFC beat it with flavour, just a bit sickly, innit? And also for the price. KFC came with fries. Oh damn! Gravy nays. Need to try this out. Gravy nays. See this something? Right. It looks so wrong. That don't look right at all. Look at it. Oh my lord. I'm gonna dip a chip in there. I hate mayonnaise anyway. It's not my thing. It's not my pattern. Here we go. A big bit of that. Oh, nah. Nah, that ain't for me. That is dot in a bombo. Sorry, KFC. I think you've lost, you know. Every fibre in my bit. If I had to have another bite of one of those, it would have to be the McDonald's jerk burger. And not because it's jerk, just because it's better. Thanks for watching me eat this disgusting rubbish. McDonald's wins. KFC, I'm sorry. Normally the fast food love of my life, but this gravy, potato, cheesy burger thing you got going on, no good for nobody. Look on this something. Same going out as it went in. Thanks for watching Flavour Station, Flavour Chasers, you're all legends. Thanks for watching me eat junk food. Like and subscribe. Better lighting, better camera, better equipment, computer coming soon. You don't know the thing. Bow!
Flavor Station.
Now I've got to clean up the damn kitchen before Lisa gets home. Damn, son.